So everybody, this is what filtration looks like. I did an enema last night and I ate all raw for 2 days. And 2 days before that I ate cooked, and the previous week before that I ate all raw. And I've done 7 months all raw, 3 months before that. And kidney filtration is my first pee of the morning, you see. And on top of it, a whole like an oils, like that's just like waste, heavy metals, who knows what, chemicals, toxins, pollutants. So it's very important to get your kidney. It's important. It's not like the be all and end all. I used to think it was the be all and end all, but then I learned it's not the be all and end all. But eating raw foods is what I recommend. But I especially recommend emotional healing and emotional feeling your emotions without distracting them. Um, Without distracting with mobile phones all the time, without sex or workaholic, or without numbing yourself with food. The most important thing is to not distract yourself and to feel your emotions. Because so many of us emotionally either take drugs or do some other form of distraction, sedating our feelings, numbing us, distracting us, avoiding our feeling our feelings. So learn to gradually learn to feel your feelings and learn about your own coping mechanisms and your habits, your patterns of how you deal with life's stresses, boredom, anxiety, upset, sadness, frustration and anger. How do you cope? Now learn about the coping mechanisms and then work to gradually become more comfortable with like just sitting in the moment without going on the phone, without checking Facebook, without browsing through TV, and feel your feelings. Just sit there. Go out there and feel your feelings. Let's do it. I'll come with you. All right? And then you can work on gradually. It's been successful for me. Gradually then like just like eating the diet that serves your highest good more. So you can eat food that's higher vibrational to raise your vibration, like raw foods and fruits, and like generally light, more watery food, like a cooked soup, which is much better than like a dehydrated or processed lasagna, be it vegan or a non-vegan lasagna, etc. Or a pie or a pizza, the simple stuff. So soup is like the most watery cooked food. Or if it's a raw food, you can eat, for example, fruits, berries, melons, instead of, for example, a big oily avocado, pesto, raw vegan salad with like too much fat and density. So listen to your body. I've learned now what keeps my vibration high or raises my vibration, and what foods like lower my vibration, be it cooked or raw. The best way, the highest vibrational way, is not to have any self-judgment or shame or guilt about what you have, or to be looking and judging or shaming or guilting anybody else, but to seek to understand why we do what we do based on the knowledge and beliefs we have, as well as where we are vibrationally, and which is emotionally, and which is also mentally. So, yeah. So I also did an enema last night in the evening, which helps filtration overnight. Helps us to detoxify and cleanse more by cleaning our colon. But if you want to have an emptier GI tract, small intestine and large intestine overall, just try a day or two of just fruits only, watery fruits with no avocados or durian, because they're very heavy and dense and slower to move through our system. So they'll slow down detoxification very much so. Just try any fruits basically. Outside of that, like, or else just do an enema or two in the day, regardless or otherwise, when you're during a cleanse, or even sometimes as a partial on and off lifestyle. And yeah, everyone. So that's what like filtration should look like when you're filtering. And when you're filtering really, really good, it should always be a little bit like a snow globe with like lots of small cloudy particles for the most part. It's not the be all and end all. You don't have to get obsessed. Like we also cleanse through breathing and sweating and pooping. So yeah. I hope you have a nice day. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the comments box. Please like this video if you've liked it, and please share it with your friends or family, because it may help them if they're interested in these topics. Subscribe if you haven't already for more videos on health, but also on spirit, like self-awareness, self-empowerment, raising our vibrations and frequency, and increasing our abundance and wellness on all levels, body, mind, spirit, and emotionally, and just having more happiness, peace, love, joy, and freedom in life, to enjoy our life, because you only live this lifetime once, and we may as well keep learning, and that's all we can do. So enjoy what we've got now and keep progressing forward. And for one-to-one consultations and for my herb store, please check out the links below the video. I check out my favorite herbs at the moment and my consultations. Okay. Take care. Lots of love. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day. Thanks. Have a great day. Create the best day ever.